Let's work on this. We are asked to determine the value of each of the following. Look at the first one. Log 9 to the base of 3. How should you look at this? When you see anything like this, let this guide be your guideline. How do I make this to carry 3? That is the first thing you must think. Unless if this is not possible before you think another thing. The first thing, I want this guy to carry the same thing, because I know that if this one can carry the same thing, the same value, it's going to be 1. So, what is the meaning of 9 in terms of 3? You agree with me? 3 to this, you have 3. 3 to this, you have 1. That is 3 multiplied by 3. Therefore, this is, because this will produce this. Okay? Now, you also agree with me that when this guy is carrying 2 things like this, I told us in one of the laws of logarithm that this last one need to go to the back of this log. The reason be that this guy is tired of carrying things like this. That is the way to remember it. It's like this guy is carrying this. He's tired. So this guy need to go to the back so that he can only carry 1. With what we have done now, you agree with me, this and this are the same because 1. What is between these 2? It's multiplication. That is 2 multiplied by, this is 1, 1. The answer is 2. Okay? So for this first one, the answer is 2. Okay? For this second one, what is 32 in terms of 2? I don't want to repeat myself again here. That is 32 in terms of 2. Here is 16. Here is 8. 2 into this, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? That is to say this is, okay? It means that this guy should go to the back. This is 1. 5 times 1 equals to 5. Okay? So this now is 5. What about this? This is log 5, 125. Okay? What is this in terms of 5? That is 125. 5 into it, you agree with me, is 25. 5 here, 5. 5 here, 1. That is 5 raised to the power 3. I come here now to say 5 raised to the power 3. This 3 should come to the back. This is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So therefore, this is what? 3. Hope I'm not too fast. I don't want to burn your time, okay? I believe you understand what I'm doing. What about this? This is log 10. What is 1,000? That is 10 raised to the power 3. So this 3 will come here now. You agree with me that the answer will be 3. So with the way we are doing it now, the answer becomes easy. You can look at this now. That is log 25, 5. I want 25 to carry 25, but this is 5. Which other way can we put 25 here? For 25 to even appear here at all, we can change this 5 to the square root of 25. So that 5 will still be here. It's the same thing. Square root of 25 is also 5. So if I put 5 here, or I put square root of 25, it's still the same thing. So therefore, you also agree with me that square root also means raised to power 1 over 2. Remember indices. If you have not watched my indices video, go back. Very important. Otherwise, you will miss this. Now we have this. This guy needs to go to this place. This is 1. It means that we're going to have here 1 over 2. What about this? Anything 1 is 0. How? Log 51. What is 1 in terms of this? Remember we said anything raised to power 0 is 1. So I can replace this with 50 raised to power 0. I'm still retaining 1. This is still 1. Okay? So I have not changed anything. So this 0 now need to come to this place. This is 1. You agree with me, therefore, this is what? 0. That's what we said. anything like this, see one like this, is 0. Okay? Hope you understand how we solve this. So in an exam environment, you can just be looking at this, just be giving the answer without solving, because you already know. Here, 3, 2, 2. This one, 2, 5, 5. 5, 3, 3. 10, 3, 3. Square root of 25, 1 over 2. Just like that. Okay?